right, John. Let's get this straight. After you created Jurassic Park and killed several people in the process, nobody is going to have any patience for new experiments. You have 24 hours to sell us on this project.
Or perhaps you're wondering what old Hammond's got up his sleeves this time.
John, as your lawyer, I want to strongly caution you about whatever this new project is. Need I remind you that the court in the Jurassic Park case said that you will be sentenced to death should you ever synthesize the DNA of a prehistoric organism again.
Well, it's a good thing that there's no prehistoric DNA in this part. In fact, all the DNA synthesized is from the current century.
Oh, Jesus.
Wait a minute, Hammond, you old coot. Why would you be synthesizing DNA from this century? Is it of an organism that just recently went extinct? The Cape Verde giant skink, perhaps? Or maybe the world's oldest manatee, Snooty, who recently died at the age of 69. May he rest in peace.
No, unfortunately, I've learned my lesson about trying to resurrect a creature from the dead, but I have created organisms based on those that are still currently alive.
Hammond, why would you clone something that you can simply study at any time?
Well, Dr. Grant, as a paleontologist, you may not know this, but simply because you live at the same time and even in close proximity with a creature does not mean that you have the opportunity to observe it and interact with it. In fact, the creature we are studying here is separated from the natural population by a certain divide, and thus, in creating it in the park, we have a chance to observe it out of its typical environment so that we may finally learn its behavior.
What typical environment is that? God damn it, Hammond, what the hell are you talking about?
The Haverford College campus, of course.
Hammond, are you saying you cloned college students in a lab?
Not college students by and large, a more Smith's sort. My dear friends, welcome to Athletic Park!
Oh my God, Dr. Sadler, athletes, right in front of us, right in the very same room!
That one reminds me of the guy who would always fall asleep during Math 118.
That one looks like my sweet mate that I talked to once and then never again.
These really the closest interactions you two had with athletes in college?
Donald, it's a well-known fact that athletes and non-athletic regular people, or nards, do not interact.
Look at what that one's doing. It seems that even in the wild, we drink out of milk jugs filled with water.
That explains it. Because you would think they would just use a water bottle and fill it slightly more often.
I should drink out of, whereas milk jugs aren't really either of those things.
Couldn't you just ask an athlete if you found this behavior so perplexing?
Well, from the behavior we've observed from this particular herd.
Oh, Doctor, if I may, I believe a herd of athletes is referred to as a team.
Thank you. From the behavior observed from this team, we've noticed a striking resemblance to a similar species found in other colleges, a species known as Greek life.
But you said this was Haverford College. There's no Greek life there.
That's exactly what makes the resemblance so puzzling.
Dr. Hammond, it seems I owe you an apology. You see, when you created Jurassic Park, I thought that it would be an amazing opportunity to study creatures that I otherwise would have never had the chance to, but now I see that it's Athletic Park that will truly give us the chance to analyze the most fascinating, yet distant, unknown species there is, the student athlete. I mean, think about the discoveries that await us. What's the inside of a locker room like? Are they genetically predisposed to study economics, or is it nurtured?
I don't understand this at all. The student athlete divide thing is bullshit. You went to the same class as school. You could have just talked to one for 5 fucking minutes.
Donald, didn't you used to run cross country?
Well, yeah, but I don't
You
see how
wouldn't
that would be fun.
understand that.
Yeah, you really wouldn't get it.
Yes. Oh my God. A team of athletes has gone rogue. Our IT guy took down the electric fence, and now they're tearing the island apart in search of natty lights. Oh.